So I got a jam in my new Harbor Freight shredder. Put something down in there that was too large. So this thing wasn't working great, but I'm gonna show you what you're supposed to do to clear a jam. Let me just show you. See, it won't pull at all, so it's jammed. There's a sticker. There's a lot of stickers on this thing. Engine will not start if discharge area is jammed with debris. Clean out panel in the back. So we're gonna come around to the back here, and then I haven't had to do this yet. There it is. Looks like it's probably a 1/2 inch, so I'm gonna use my 1/2 inch impact. Inch. 2 washers, 1 fender washer, 1 split ring lock washer, don't lose them. Split ring goes on the bolt first, then the fender washer. Let's take a look in here. And there's stuff in there. So here's the blades. They just swing around and chop everything up. I don't feel anything in this end. I don't feel anything in this end blocking it up, so it's got to be in the chute on the front. Sound of freedom in the distance there. Hear that? Sound of freedom. One of the neighbors practicing their right. Go down the garage, get a 1/2 inch wrench so I can get into this one. I'm going to take the chute off. Oh, look at that. So this went down. I guess it was just popping in there. I could have ate this up, but it was a really long branch, and I let go of it, and it went down in and ended up stalling the chipper shredder. But tell you what, this thing it's been awesome. Thoroughly pleased with it, as long as you trim everything. I mean, this could go through that and it will eat this up. It's just, there was about 6-8 feet it ate up before that, and I bogged it down and caused it to stall. And then this was in there. I didn't even look down the tube. I could have pulled it out. So, not bad. That's how you check for blockages. I'm going to fire this thing back up and run some long branches to it so you can see what she does. Ember, what are you doing? What are you doing, Ember? Show you how it eats. You know, it's a nice sized chip.